So when we see Indonesia and Maldives, okay, recently Indonesian players are going to Maldives to play futsal matches. So we can see the best of Indonesian players in our city. So I think this is a 50-50 game. Okay, so anybody could win. So good luck for Indonesia too.